Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Volo, local and long distance movers near me. We help you relocate with the best long distance moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We give you all the services you need for a basic or full service move. Relocating is really hard enough already. Let us do the hard work for you and getting your things moved to your new location. An Illinois moving company offers the right option to make moving easier. Yes, you can handle a local move on your own, but it will still be a lot of work. Packing and unpacking is a ton of work, but having to load and unload a truck just makes it even worse. Do you want to do all the heavy lifting? 3 Movers gives you the team you need to handle the physical labor. We streamline your moving day to make sure you get there faster, and our team can handle your move in just a few hours, even if it's a move that would take you all weekend. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Volo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.